Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can add keywords to your YouTube channel. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, then click on YouTube Studio. And once you're on here, just go to settings on the bottom left. Then you should see channel, so you just want to tap on that. Then you should have the keyword option on here. So all you need to do is just type in whatever keyword you want to associate with your channel. Then just press enter. Then you can just continue adding different words that will be associated, so whatever you want. And once you've done all that, just select save, and that will add keywords to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.